We are offering OSHA 132-hour oil and gas safety and health course. In this comprehensive training, we'll equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to ensure safety and compliance in the oil and gas industry. In this course, we'll cover critical safety practices, hazard recognition, and risk management strategies tailored specifically for the oil and gas sector. Our goal is to help you understand and implement effective safety protocols, ensuring a safe working environment for everyone involved. By the end of this course, you will have a thorough understanding of OSHA's safety and health standards for the oil and gas industry, and you will be equipped to contribute to a safer and healthier workplace. Mandatory units of this qualification are: understand advanced OSHA regulations and standards, advanced hazard identification and risk assessment, process safety management, PSM, emergency preparedness and response planning, health and environmental hazards, leadership and safety culture, advanced personal protective equipment, PPE, safety training and education, contractor and vendor safety management, regulatory compliance and auditing. This course is ideal for safety managers and directors, health and safety professionals, operations and facility managers, process engineers and technicians, environmental health and safety, EHS, specialists, emergency response teams, regulatory compliance officers, contractor and vendor safety managers, safety consultants and advisors, risk management professionals, senior management and executives. What is the duration of this course? The OSHA 132-hour oil and gas safety and health course is designed to provide in-depth training over a total of 132 hours. All OSHA certifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest OSHA-approved center. Visit our website at www.oshamericana.com for more qualifications and information.